Is Binance still a good trading platform in 2025? It is. It is one of the most best trading platform out there, right? The one of the best thing about Binance is that it has high liquidity, which means is that your assets are actually assets, right? So if you're trading in something volatile, something that could change in a matter of seconds, so the first day it's really low, the next day it's really valuable, then this is one of the best place where you can trade crypto because of the high liquidity, which means that you can sell and then you can buy really fast, right? So your assets are actually tangible and you can actually grab it, right? So you can actually deposit it and then you can actually withdraw it as well as quickly as you can. It's highly liquid, right? So if you're trading in high volatile markets like Binance here, so you're trading BTC, USDC, BNB, DOGB, BP, Ether, SHB, XRP, Solana, Trump especially, since Trump is one of the most volatile crypto out there, you can be sure that on Binance, you'll be pretty safe since a lot of it is peer-to-peer trading as well. You can buy USDT and there's a lot of payment option here as well. You can see there's a lot of payment option where you can buy crypto here, right? So it remains one of the best platforms for you to use if you're trading crypto in 2025 especially.